Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Siri is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. Without waste your time, let's start this video. Simply, if you are enable Siri and Siri is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17, simply turn off Siri and after 10 to 20 seconds turn it on back. Simply listen Siri, tap on off Siri, go back again. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Siri is ready. iPhone, listen for the phrase Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of request. Tap on done. Simply and fix Siri problem. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, volume down button and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, your Siri problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Enable Bluetooth if you have multiple Hey Siri devices. Do you have multiple devices nearby that work with Hey Siri like an other iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple and sure you can see. Simply tap on settings, turn on Bluetooth. If Bluetooth toggle turn it on already, simply fix it. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is remove case from the iPhone and fix your problems. Simply you can see appears on screen. Remove the case if it blocks the microphone. Are you using a case that might block your iPhone microphone? Take a minute to check this. If you find that the microphone slots at the bottom of the device next to the camera or inside the top earpiece are blocked by the case, you should remove the case and fix your problem. Simply remove your case and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, 4 is not working, now applying the solution number 5. Solution number 5 is check iOS update. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on software update. Simply if update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, many times check your iPhone. If you are using beta version, now upgrade or downgrade your iPhone with stable version and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, now reset all settings. Tap on settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings to confirm this action and fix your Siri problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Siri is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.